Well, clearly there is no room for Pakistani premies here in India. After Chief Minister Hemanta Sarma has walked the talk, day after issuing arrest warning to pro-Pakistan lobby, a woman who has been identified as Dimple Barua from Golaghat district of Assam has been detained by the crime branch from Guwahati for making controversial anti-national comments on Pahalgam terror attack. She was later handed over to the police, and the Golaghat police arrested her and brought her to the police station. Now, this is something that has been a warning that has come in directly from the Chief Minister of Assam, saying that Pakistani premies have no space in India.
और ये भी मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि जो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करेगा उनका ऊपर हम एनएसए भी लगा देंगे.
So this is nothing but treason and could also invite NSA. As far as Sabyasachi, we are getting, when it comes to the Chief Minister there, because people who have been coming out in support of Pakistan, especially when it comes to the leaders and the MLAs as well, they've also been placed under arrest. This is an example that the Assam Chief Minister is giving. Can you tell us about this latest incident?
Well, that's right. A woman named Dimple Barua has been arrested in the state of Assam from the Golaghat. First she was detained by the crime branch. Later she was handed over to the Golaghat police, who arrested her, and the questioning is underway. Meanwhile, a very clear and stern message has been given by the Chief Minister of Assam that he would not tolerate and come down heavily on pro-Pakistan and pro-Bangladesh sympathizers. In fact, he also issued a stern warning that the National Security Act will be issued again against people who would be extending their support to the pro-Pakistan as well as making any sort of anti-national statement. Now, Dimple Barua had been earlier detained by the crime branch for making anti-national statement as well as extending support to the terrorist who had attacked in Pahalgam. Now, in the state of Assam itself, 14 people so far has been arrested by the Assam police, and continuously the social media is being monitored by the state administration to make sure that no fake narrative or any sort of anti-India narrative is being raised in the social media. In fact, in the entire northeastern region, around 19 people so far has been arrested for making anti-national statements.
But Sabya, why only in Assam, and why only we are looking at certain civilians? Because there are leaders as well, be it from political parties, who have been making such kind of statements there. Because here the Chief Minister's message is direct, that Assam will not tolerate any individual who directly or indirectly supports or defends Pakistan in connection with the heinous attack in Pahalgam.
Well, that's right. The message has been very much clear from the Chief Minister of Assam. But here also the question lies, what about several of the other political leaders who have been time and again making controversial statements and getting away easily? We have seen that a lot of political reactions have come in specifically from the opposition side, which are absolutely absurd in nature, but no action so far has been taken. But in the state of Assam, the state machinery is very much active. They are monitoring the social media, and that is the reason why in Assam itself 14 people have been arrested for making anti-national statement, and in entire northeastern region, total 19 arrests has been made by the state machinery for making anti-national statement, as well as showing sympathy to the Pakistani terrorists who carried out the Pahalgam attack. A lot of question needs to be answered, because currently on one hand there are political leaders who are time and again making controversial statement, but in the state of Assam,
but the Chief Minister here seems to be walking the talk. The Assam Chief Minister saying that if any individual further goes ahead when it comes to the agenda of Pakistan that is spread in the country, or in particular in Assam, then he will not hesitate in invoking NSA or the National Security Act against them. Further arrests that are taking place as part of the ongoing crackdown in Assam. Please do stay